Stanislaus County in central California, southwestern Calaveras County in northern California until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Eugene or near Oakdale, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
It's on Xfinity.
Radar indicated. Impact. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Modesta, Oakdale, Riverbank, Escalon, Del Rio, East Oakdale, Eugene, Farmington, and Milton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: